How to change the input mode on your Samsung smart television. So if you want to go and change your input mode from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, or maybe you want to change it from your TV to your HDMIs, then we can do that in a couple of easy steps. Now, the first way of doing this is just by using your TV remote and pressing the home button. Once you're on this home menu, you can scroll over on the left hand side. So I'm just going to use the left arrow key to come over to the left. You can then hover over this option here called sources, and if you then come up to this top window, you'll see all of your different input modes. So you can see here that I can switch between my television and also my different HDMI inputs. So this is how you would change from your television to your HDMI 1, for example. And another way you can do this is actually on the remote control itself. So if you look on the top right hand side here, I have this button called sources, and we can just go ahead and click on this button, and that's another way to change between the different source modes.